In the chapter 4 of supply chain management in hospitality typically delves into topics related to logistics and distribution, which are crucial for ensuring that goods and services are derived efficiently and effectively. Here are some key points that highlights in importance that I learned in chapter 4. The first is logistic management. This chapter explore the principles of logistics, including transportation, warehousing, and inventory management. For hospitality businesses, understanding logistics is vital for maintaining consistent product availability, especially for perishable items like food and beverages. Um, Distribution channels. It may covers various distribution channels used in hospitality, such as direct sourcing from suppliers, third-party distributors, and local vendors. Understanding these channels helps managers optimize their supply chain to ensure timely deliveries and cost efficiently. And cost efficiency is logistics and distribution decisions significantly importance overall supply chain costs. This chapter likely emphasizes strategies for minimizing costs while maintaining quality and service levels, which is essential for maximizing prob- profitability in competitive hospitality market. And inventory management, effective inventory management techniques discussed in this chapter help hospitality managers balance stock levels, reduce waste, and ensure that supply meets guest demands without excess. Technology in logistics. Um, the chapter 4 may introduce technologies that enhance logistics operations such as inventory management system, tracking software, and automated ordering system. Leveraging technology improves efficiency and accuracy in supply chain processes. Impact on guest experience. Timely and accurate delivery of products directly influence guest satisfaction. um, Sustainability practices in today's hospitality industry. Sustainability is the critical. This chapter might discuss sustainability logistic practices such as reducing carbon footprints through efficient transportation and eco-friendly sourcing.